Hello guys, welcome to St. Diego's Church. The parish youth of St. Diego's Church is organizing Monsoon Splash.
And the Monsoon Splash is at 12 p.m. on 21st June.
अरे जून रे जुलै सगळ्या झोनांक एक एक प्रेझेंटेशन आहा. झोन 1 सिंगिंग, झोन 2 डान्सिंग, झोन 3 ट्रेडिशनल फॅन्सी ड्रेस, झोन 4 किड, झोन 5 मांडो आणि तुमचे स्नॅप स्ट्रिक्स धरपाक एक फोटो बूथ आहा. आणि आमकां रेन डान्स आसतले.
And also, we are going to have games for adults and children.
And that's not all. The youth is going to do something special.
Special? Johnny Hagidere.
Yeah, food, snacks, juice, everything is there. But bring your money.
See you all for the monsoon splash.
On 21st July at 12 p.m. Do come.